How to recover WhatsApp messages on Android without root. To recover WhatsApp messages on an Android device without rooting it, you can use these methods. Firstly, open the WhatsApp application on your device. After opening WhatsApp, go to the chat section from the bottom. Now at the top right corner, you will see a three-dot icon. Click on that and select the option Settings. In Settings, scroll down a bit. Now here you will need to look for the option Chats. You will see the Chats option right here. Click on that. Inside Chats, scroll down to the very bottom. Here click on the option Chat Backup. After that, you will see an interface like this. You can even set your frequency right here. Here you can click on the option Backup at the very top. Another way that you can restore them is by restoring from a local backup. Open the Files Manager app on your device. After opening, you will see an interface like this. In File Manager, click on the option Internal Storage, then select WhatsApp and go to Databases. Here look for the most recent file. After that, rename the file as msgstore.db.crypt12. Then you will need to reinstall WhatsApp. After you reinstall, click on Restore. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.